Welcome to the Phone Transformer. Today I'm going to show you how to make money with the Threads app. Now let's get started. First, focus on building an engaged audience by posting consistently. Share helpful tips, opinions, personal experiences, or quick value-packed content that people can connect with. The more engagement your posts get, the more opportunities you'll have to monetize your account. Next, use affiliate marketing by promoting products you genuinely like. Most affiliate programs allow you to share a custom link, and when someone buys using that link, you earn a commission. Threads are great for quick recommendations, and short, honest posts usually perform really well. Another powerful method is sponsored posts. Once your account grows, brands may contact you to feature their product, or you can reach out to them. Companies love working with creators who have strong engagement, even if the follower count is small. You can also drive traffic from Threads to other platforms. For example, share links to your YouTube videos, digital products, online courses, or even your small business website. Threads can act as a booster to bring more people to places where you already earn money. Selling digital products is another smart way to earn. You can create ebooks, templates, presets, guides, or simple checklists and promote them through your posts. Digital products have no shipping or extra costs, so the profit margin is high. If you offer services, Threads is a perfect place to showcase your work. Whether you're a designer, editor, writer, or freelancer, sharing short samples of your skills can help you attract clients quickly. Finally, be consistent and interact with others. Reply to comments, join trending discussions, and engage with similar creators. The more active you are, the more your account grows and the more earning opportunities you unlock. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.